Here's how TOEFL test centers are helping you stay safe when you take your test. All test centers have regular procedures for cleaning of high-touch surfaces. Everyone is required to wear a mask when they come to the test center. It can be a medical mask or a cloth face covering. Masks with valves or vents are not permitted. You will need to remove your mask temporarily to have your photo taken and to verify your ID. Gloves are permitted during the test if you choose to wear them. All test centers are following local guidelines for social distancing. Some test centers may require additional procedures, like a health screening. If you have questions about safety procedures, check with the test center administrator. If you are showing symptoms of COVID-19, like a fever, cough, or a loss of smell and taste, please stay home and contact our test taker services team about rescheduling your test. If we all do our part, we can all stay safe when testing. Good luck on your TOEFL test.